Alright guys, so we're gonna start out with AUD and ZD. Alright guys, so right now it's Monday, 12 in the morning on Monday. 12 in the morning, Monday, March 31st. And we're gonna start up our week with a breakdown. And right now we're gonna start out with AUD and ZD. On this pair, we were looking for the price action to go to the downside. Looking at the weekly time frame, we are bearish. Daily is bearish, and 4 hour is still bullish. And as you can see over here, looking at the weekly time frame, we have a very strong level of area of interest on the weekly, and we are also on the psychological level of one something like that. And looking at the daily time frame, as you can see, we have a very strong level of an area of interest. And right now, the current daily time frame is now rejecting in our area of interest. We will be waiting for this one to go to the downside. And right now, looks like the week has done making a week, and it looks like it's going to the downside. And looking at the 4 hour time frame, this is the area. I put this area over here. I put this area on this side because we have a very strong area of 4 hour time frame over here. This is the area that I'll be looking to enter. So once the price action has break below in this area, I'll be looking for the price to have a retracement and rejection. That way we'll be having a left head, right shoulder, and then rejection, go to the downside. So we will be waiting for that price to form, and then that way I'll be enter the trade. But right now it's on the upside, so we'll be waiting for the price to form on our favor. And next is USD CAD. USD CAD, we are still waiting for the price to pretty much pull back in this area, because if price action reach in this area, I'll be looking for buys. And right now, daily time frame is bearish, and then we're also in the psychological level of what is that? 43,000. And as you can see, we are in the very strong level of area of interest. We have a level over here, up, we're buy, down, we're below, we sell, above we're buying, and right now we're like on the top of the psychological level. So on this one, I'll be looking for the price to pretty much break below in this area of interest, where I'll be looking to enter the trade. Pretty much break below, retest, and look for sell. But right now, I'm not interested to enter the trade yet because I don't like how the price is forming right now. And we'll give this one more time and see how price will perform this London session. And as you can see, the 2 hour time frame, we have a very strong level over here. Once the price action break below, put retracement and go to the downside, and I'll be looking to sell. And EURJPY, I am looking for buys over here. As you can see, bearish, weekly bearish, daily is bullish, 4 hour is bearish, but we are interested on the buys on this pair. And as you guys can see over here, on the daily time frame, we have a very strong level of area of interest level over here. We are also on the psychological level of the 161,500. As you can see, we have a very strong level over here. Whenever we're above, we're buying. Whenever we're below, we're selling. Below, we're selling. Above, we're buying. And right now, the current daily time frame is right now having a rejection. We have and right now a 4 hour just closed, having a rejection in the area of interest. 2 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. So I put this one over here, this level over here on the 15 minutes time frame. So I'll be looking for the buys. This is the area I'll be interested to enter the trade. Once the price action has break below this area, shift to the upside, retracement, having a left head, right shoulder, inverted left head, right shoulder, rejection over here, and continue to the upside. That way I'll be looking for trade. But right now, it's looks like it's forming and going in our favor. And we just need to like pretty much break, pull back, and then enter a trade. I'll be putting my alarm over here. There we go. Very clean. So we're pretty much just repeating of what happened in the past. So as you can see over here, uh, pull back over here, area of interest, rejection, go to the upside, pull back over here. We could see possibly price action to happen, make it happen again. So we'll wait for that. So yeah, that's for the EUR JPY. I think this one's more ready. And EUR GBP, as you can see on the weekly time frame, we are bearish. Daily time frame, we are bullish, and we are bullish on the 4-hour time frame. So we have a sync time frame in sync on the bullish. And right now, price action, we have a we have a daily and we have a daily area of interest on this area. Whenever we're below, we're selling. Whenever we're below, we're selling. Below, selling. Below, selling. Above, we're buying. And we are also on the psychological level of the 83,500. And right now, price action has break above in this area. So pretty much break above, pull back up over here, rejecting on the area of interest over here, and we can look for buy opportunity on this area. And then looking down to the 4-hour time frame, we just need for the price action to pretty much break below on this area. Maybe we can look for the EMA. We can look for the price action to reject on the EMA, bounce on the EMA, and then that way we'll be looking for buys. And we have the area of interest where I'll be looking to enter a trade. And not really interested, but then I'm interested on watching this pair, because right now it's slowing down. I don't like how it's slowed down right now, but we'll wait for this one. I'll keep an eye on this one, but that's our plans. Pretty much break down, have a retracement and go to the upside. GBP CAD. So on the GBP CAD, as you guys can see, we have a very strong level of the bullish trend on the weekly. Same thing on the daily and 4-hour. We have an area of interest. So this is a very high risk trade because we don't have two time frame in sync, and we are actually taking advantage of the pullback, because on the weekly it's bullish and daily is bullish, and the only time I'll be taking long here is when price action is reach this retracement and go to the upside. That's the only time I'll be interested on buys. But right now we expect for the price action to have a rejection, to have a retracement. So while having a retracement, we're gonna take advantage of the sell opportunity. So right now on the power time frame, we have a very strong level of the area of interest. So whenever we're below, we're selling. Below, we're selling. Above, we're buying. Above, we're buying. Below, we're selling. And I'll be looking for the price action to pretty much break below, have a retrace, have a pullback, and go to the downside. That's my my plan on this GBP CAD. Back again. Right now it's, as you can see, it's Friday, almost 10 a.m. in the morning. Market is about to close around the afternoon, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on the trade that we were looking for before market opens. So this is the results. As you guys can see on the AUDNZD, yeah, it went in our favor, where we're looking to sell, but we didn't enter this trade because we were not interested on this trade. Because at first I was looking for the price action to pretty much break below, retest, but it didn't give us a retest, so price action ended up playing out and went to the downside. It went over in our take profit. This one's a good play over here, because yeah, it went in our plan of where we're looking to trade. And then USD CAD, we didn't enter this trade because same thing as the AUD and ZD. I was looking for the price to pretty much break below, retest, and then go to the downside. It went to the downside, but then we didn't get a retest on this area of interest where we're looking to enter. And EURJPY, I entered this trade. As you guys can see, we were up like a 1.2 R multiple. We're targeting about 2.3 R multiple. I'll show you guys the results. So this is the EURJPY. I entered buys. I entered the buys on this trade. Like I said over here, I entered when the price action has been shifted to the upside. So this bullish engulfing over here on the 15 minutes time frame, that's when I entered the trade. And it was going in our favor. It was really good. But then when I saw the price action has shifted to the downside, like on the 30 minutes time frame has shifted to the downside, that's when it got me to the point that I wanted to close the trade. But then I was like, you know what? The last time I trade, it shifted to the downside. I closed the trade, and after like a couple of hours, it went to our TP. So that's what I'm looking here. Is shifted to the downside, and I still hold the trade until it hit our stop loss. This one's a really good trade. So basically, we got wicked out, and after a couple of hours, it went to the upside. You can see over here. It hit our stop loss. Market price action has been really bad because of the tariffs going on the US. Trump has released the tariffs percentage in each country, so every currencies right now is affected. So it is what it is. We can't blame Trump because he's trying to make the dollar stronger, and Trump is trying to make the country better. So we can't even blame him. Just gotta get used to it, adapt to the price action, and move on. EUR I also took this trade, and it hit our stop loss. So it was a loss. EURGPP, I took a buys. So what happened here is that I entered. Where did I enter? So I entered on this price action when when the price action has shifted to the upside. That's when I entered the trade. As you guys can see over here, I shifted on the 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, so you can see over here, it shifted to the upside, having the EMA below it, and bullish engulfing over here. I entered this trade, and guess what? It hit our stop loss and go to the downside, go to the upside. Enter the trade, looking for the price action to pretty much clear our multiple, but price action ended up hitting our stop loss and went to the upside. AUDJPY, I also took this trade. AUDJPY. So what happened is here that I was looking for the price to pretty much shifted. As you guys can see, we hit our area of interest over here, area of interest 94,500 on the psychological level, and up the left head, right shoulder, breaking the neckline and rejecting in this area of interest where I'm looking to enter the trade. So as you can see, price action has been rejected in this area of interest, and guess what? We got wicked out and went to the downside. This is really bad. As you can see over here, we went to the upside, almost hit our stop loss, and then we went to the downside and hit our stop loss by a week. As you can see, the wick right there, and body close below it and went to the downside. So that will be it for today. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.